I'm gonna create a bingo goal card, where you can grab the template that we're gonna be creating together. Okay, so starting in Firefly Boards, I just created a bunch of goals that I have for myself. People might think fun and self-care, that sounds the same. Wrong. Because I didn't go to the dentist last year, and that is part of self-care. BINGO, nobody freak out. And the bingo title, I want it to be a bold font, so I'm gonna create a couple of them.
Bingo, bingo, bingo.
Bingo, bingo, bingo. And you know what? I'm gonna do something. Everyone calm down. I'm into stretching fonts. It's something that I love to do. Let's do, I like alphabet soup. That's fun. I'm going to go to generate image, sample from canvas, and type the word bingo written with dice. Okay, remove background. Let's see what happens. Hey, oh, that was really good. Okay. I think that I want to resize this whole thing. Yeah, I think I like this one better. 2026 goals bingo. Like, this isn't regular bingo. This isn't your grandma's bingo, no offense. It's our 2026 goals bingo. And I'm going to change this font because I can, although I do love Bebas New. Big Bebas New girl. Let's go to Illustrator and illustrate it. So this is a poker chip from memory. We're going to do one more. Star tool. Grabbing the star tool, and you just make it bigger. You're holding down the mouse and whatever. There's these little toggles here where you can add more points to your star. You can also round out that internal point, and it's a live thing. So like you can just keep adding. So now I want to duplicate this like a bunch of times. So I selected all of those and click on target path. And now they're all on here, which is so fun. And now these can live on here. And I want these stars to all be yellow. Doo-doo. Edit colors, recolor artwork. I like this as a theme, but I don't actually like exactly where it's going. So I'll unlock the colors.
These work so well together.
Okay, I'm going to paste all of these in here. Maybe I'll do some cards. I want it to be about the same size as this. So I'm just gonna do a little screenshot here. And then I gotta start putting in my goals for the year.
2026 is the year the house loses.
So I think these in the middle, I'll kind of make them the slot machine. Okay, I'm gonna start adding my goals in. I'm gonna create some more stars in here, like starbursts type things, to just throw around in there. Okay, so now we've just got 2 of these. I'm gonna copy them, and they're gonna go kind of like in the background. So when it was in default, the way that I typed it was the way that it was. Some of it's capitalized, some of it's not. But when I hit text layouts and I go to dynamic, 1, it becomes all capitalized, but 2, the way that I change the bounding box is the way that the text will lay itself out. I also want to have 120,000 followers on Women of Type. Let's go to another one. I want to finish 1 painting. Over the span of the year, I want to finish 10 spreads in my junk journal. I also do want to go to another national park. I'm a big national park girly. National park trip. Okay, we're gonna go to the dentist. I really don't even want to. That's the thing. Like, who wants to go to the dentist? So I'm gonna do publish changes. But yeah, this is what we came up with. I think it's really fun. I hope you guys hit every single one of your 2026 goals. Bye.